Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made for 2023 in my Advanced Box Truck Business Plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to walk you all through a couple of the changes that I've made in the Advanced Box Truck Business Plan template. Once I'm done, I'll go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and we will call it a day. All right, so as promised, let's go ahead and talk about the first change. So the first change that I made to the Box Truck Business Plan template, the advanced one, is I updated the industry research. So everybody knows that it's important to include the most up-to-date industry research that you have available to you in your business plan. Regardless if it's a box truck business or a restaurant, you always want to present the most up-to-date information. So what I did is I went out to my IBIS World, which is an industry leader in research, and I've got a subscription with them. I went out, did a little bit of research, and I updated the Box Truck Business Plan template industry analysis section to reflect the most recent information available. So I updated the revenues, I've updated the profits, the profit margin, the number of businesses, the number of people employed in the industry, wages. I've updated the previous 5-year revenue growth. I've also updated the revenue expected growth for the next 5 years. So all that good stuff, all that industry research has now been updated for 2023. The next change that I made is I've added a best case and worst case pro forma financial projection annually for the next 5 years. Typically, a business owner is going to present to the bank or to an investor their projections for the next 5 years, and it's going to be just one set of projections. Here's what we think the revenues are going to be. Here's what we think the costs are going to be, and here's what we think the net profit margin is going to be. However, everybody knows that these projections are going to be wrong. So when you are able to present a range saying, hey, look, here's what we think we can do for the base model projections, but if we show what we can, if everything goes well, the best case and the worst case scenario. So now what you're able to do is say, look, here's what we think the numbers are going to be, but if everything goes well and the economy goes well and everything just falls into place, here's what the numbers can really be. Or if we hit some challenges, we go into a recession and things are a little bit tight, here's the worst case scenario that we think we're going to have for the revenues, the costs, and the net profits. Presenting a range is going to help the reader better understand the risk involved with your business. All right, so hopefully this information and the updates are going to be helpful. So in summary, if you do buy my Advanced Box Truck Business Plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document. It also comes with the basic financial model in Excel, and it also comes with the strategic plan that's customized for the box truck industry. All those, and all as well as tutorials for each one of those documents, and the tutorials are on my website. Keep in mind that the documents, the template is not compatible with Google Docs. It's also not compatible with Apple products. You do need Microsoft Word, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to use update the templates. Also, if you have questions about my Advanced Box Truck Business Plan template before you buy it, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation about what you can expect in my Advanced Box Truck Business Plan template. However, there is no free phone support after you purchase the template. If you do buy the template, which you can purchase at this link right here, if you have some questions or you need some assistance with it, you can go to my free tutorials, which is at this link right here, or I do charge for mentoring and consulting services. So you can try my tutorials. Those are very helpful in getting through with the box truck Advanced Box Truck Business Plan template, but if you do need some assistance, paid assistance, it is here for you. And finally, if you don't want to mess with templates and tutorials and all that good stuff, you just want the darn business plan written for you, I do offer custom business plan writing services as well as pro forma financial projection services. Just go to my link right here for prices. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, stay safe, and have a great day. Thank you.